Hi, imagine seeing the ghost of someone you betrayed. What does it mean for Brutus when he sees Caesar's ghost? Let's dive into this haunting moment from Act 5 of the Julius Caesar. Brutus sees Caesar's ghost, what it means, and why it matters. Welcome to Concept Clarity by Ajanta Ma'am, and today we'll explore one of the most gripping moments in the Julius Caesar when Brutus sees Caesar's ghost in Act 5. What leads to this eerie moment and why is it important to the story? Let's break it down in simple terms. By Act 5, Rome has plunged into chaos after Caesar's assassination, and Brutus and Cassius and the leaders of the conspiracy are preparing to face Antony and Octavius in the Battle of Philippi. Earlier in Act 4, Scene 3, Caesar's ghost appears to Brutus in his tent, warning him, "Thou shalt see me at Philippi." This foreshadowing sets up the final act, and Brutus, though shaken by the ghost's warning, decides to march to Philippi, showing his belief in fate and his sense of duty. Now, as the battle rages in Act 5, Brutus faces immense pressure. His forces are weakening, and the guilt of his action weighs heavily on him. In Act 5, Scene 5, during the final moments of the play, Brutus is overwhelmed by defeat, haunted by his guilt as he remembers Caesar. And it is then that he sees Caesar's ghost. Though the ghost doesn't physically appear again, its presence looms large in Brutus's mind. Brutus realizes that the assassination, which he believed was for the good of Rome, has led nothing but destruction. The ghost symbolizes his guilt and inevitability of fate catching up with him, and he accepts his failure and decides to take his own life, declaring, "Caesar, now be still. I killed not thee with half so good a will." This powerful line shows that Brutus finally understands the weight of his betrayal, and he believes his death is the only way to atone for his action.